Hey everyone. I thought I would hop on and say thank you to you all because you've been so amazing the last couple of weeks. Thank you for all your support and love. And somehow magically in the last 2 weeks we've hit 15,000 subscribers. And I know I'm being shadow messed around with because I've actually got people who have tried to subscribe and it deliberately doesn't allow them to. So that's despite everything else going on. So it has been a big few weeks, and as so buried my mum on Saturday, and the outpouring of love from around the world has been quite amazing. Anyway, 15,000. I was just excited about that, but I really want to do a quick little balance just to get my brain back into work mode and to get because we still have to look after my stepdad Doug and it's going to be ongoing, and I know many of you are going through the exact same things all around the world. So I want to do a heart balance to allow our hearts to keep moving forward even when we're in pain, to allow our hearts to open to everyone because isolation kills, to allow our hearts to allow us to be the best version we can possibly be, because we're all in this together. They want us segregated, they want us angry, they want us shaming, they want us fearful, they want us guilted, they want us angry. That's not the way I want to live on this planet. And if that's the way you want to live, interesting. So anyway, I want to do this about opening the heart and opening so that we can open conversations, so that we can allow people in our lives, so that we can have people over for dinner, so that we can go, how do we make this the best world we can possibly make it in interesting times? I shared a couple of videos this morning on Facebook, some on my New Leaf Natural Therapies page and some on the Brain Centre at New Leaf Natural Therapies. So I can't remember where, but one was about Zach Bush. In fact, a couple was Zach Bush. And he is such a glorious human being. He is and he called it a power-packed couple of years. And I thought, power-packed couple of years. Okay. And he said, because it's allowed people to realize what they believe, what they think, what they're willing to do, what they're not willing to do. And it's allowed us to own whatever we've chosen in the last couple of years. People are having to own their choices, pure and simple. And because people are being forced to make choices, all of a sudden you have to work where you really sit in things. So we need to open our hearts to everything. Open our hearts, open our minds, open our souls to humanity, because it's the only way we're going to move forward in happiness, health, peace, and love. Okay, that's where we're going.